Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to open a Forex.com demo account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to explore trading without taking any risk, you can easily register for a demo trading account. Simply open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.forex.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official site of Forex.com, you'll be able to see a button that says Test Drive with Demo highlighted in green. Give it a click and fill in all of the required fields in the pop-up. You'll need to enter your personal information one by one. Select your country, type in your first name, enter your last name. Also, make sure to mention your phone number. In the email text box, provide an email address for yourself and make sure that you've provided a valid email address. After filling in all of the details, click the Submit button. On the next page, you'll be able to see that your demo account is ready and your username and password has been provided to you as well. Click on Login to Web Platform option and now you can easily enter the username and password that has been provided to you in the text boxes. Simply enter your username and your password, and if you'd like the system to remember your username, check this little box that says Remember Username. Once you do that, click on the Login button, and that is how you can easily create a Forex.com demo account. Now you can easily explore trading without taking any risk with this demo account. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.